When should you use your headlights? A. Only during nighttime. B. When visibility is reduced, e.g., fog, rain. C. At all times when driving.
Answer: C. At all times when driving. List 3 tips for avoiding driver fatigue.
Answer: Tips for avoiding driver fatigue include getting enough sleep before long drives, taking regular breaks during trips, avoiding medications that cause drowsiness, not consuming alcohol or drugs that may impair alertness while driving, and keeping the vehicle's cabin well ventilated and cool. What does a yield sign mean? A. Stop and wait for other drivers to go first. B. Proceed slowly without stopping. C. Give up the right-of-way to other drivers or pedestrians. Answer: C. Give up the right-of-way to other drivers or pedestrians. Explain the importance of keeping a safe following distance. Answer: Keeping a safe following distance allows for a greater reaction time and avoids rear-end collisions in case the vehicle in front suddenly stops or slows down. It provides space for maneuvering and adjusting speed based on traffic flow. What is the maximum blood alcohol concentration, BAC, level allowed for most adult drivers? A. 0.00%. B. 0.08%. C. 0.20%. Answer: B. 0.08%. Describe how you would parallel park. Answer: To parallel park, you generally position your vehicle parallel to the curb, ensuring there is ample space both in front and behind your car, slowly backing into the chosen spot while checking mirrors and looking over your shoulder to ensure proper alignment with nearby vehicles. When turning right at an intersection, you must: A. Yield to traffic coming from the left. B. Yield to traffic coming from the right. C. Proceed without yielding. Answer: A. Yield to traffic coming from the left. Name 4 common signs of aggressive driving behavior. Answer: 4 common signs of aggressive driving behavior include excessive speeding, tailgating, following too closely, frequent lane changing without signaling, failure to yield when required, and aggressive gestures or verbal confrontations with other drivers. What does hydroplaning refer to? A. The process of ingesting fluids while driving. B. The loss of traction between tires and wet road surfaces. C. The act of splashing water onto pedestrians deliberately. Answer: B. The loss of traction between tires and wet road surfaces. Explain what it means by right-of-way. Answer: Right-of-way refers to the legal principle that grants one driver or pedestrian precedence over others to proceed safely in a specific situation. It determines who should yield and who has the responsibility to give way.